just gonna throw a $10 bill in. You guys know how it goes. Full send. Alright, I'm gonna go back to this middle row. Hopefully it's due. Oh, okay, that one. No way! Dude, I just got $100. What's going on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your Joy Boy back at it again. Guys, we are back at Zap Arcade playing this Keymaster. This notorious Keymaster I've won a lot of prizes on, but check this out. There is cash in here. So I'm gonna see if I can win some of these wads of cash. There's $100, and then at the top here they have 200 bucks. So I'm gonna try for that. See if I can come out more than what I put in here. Let's put in $1. Here we go. Should I just go straight for the top row?
Yeah, check every row.
Yeah, that's true. Alright, let's just go for the top row. Maybe if I let it go right here. Alright, top row, 200 bucks. For $1 would be kind of nice. Oh no, that definitely rigged me. If I win cash right now, guys, I'm taking everyone out to dinner. McDonald's, baby.
You are cheap.
Dollar menu for all of you. One thing though. One thing. All right.
Pay the tax.
Yes. All right. I'm gonna try for this middle row here. See if it's due.
Ooh, there's no way.
There you go. Oh, that one was super rigged.
I mean, what are the odds you think you're actually gonna be able to win some cash out of here?
I don't know. I mean, it just depends on how much I spend.
I mean, every time he sees a machine, he usually just kills it. But I've never seen it before.
Here we go. Oh, wait.
No.
Oh, that one.
My God.
Wait, that could have been me. I'm gonna try that again. We got another $1. I'm putting it back in. Guys, I am on my knees for this game. If that doesn't show you I'm desperate, I don't know what will. Here we go. Oh, okay, that rigged me. You are rigged, sir. I don't have any more ones on me, guys. I'm just gonna throw a $10 bill in. You guys know how it goes. Full send. Whenever we put large amounts of money in games, we tend to get a little too intense, but it's not the point. We want more cash. Here we go. I gotta go for this bottom row. Okay, that one. I don't know. Was it me?
It's skipping you. I see it.
Dang, that sucks. Keep playing until it is due. Oh, no way, please. Oh my god. This Keymaster is really hard to tell when it's due. Alright, I'm gonna go back for this middle row. Hopefully it's due. Oh, okay, that one. No way! Dude, I just got $100. No way! Yes, heck yes. Dang, I didn't know it was that easy. What the heck? Guys, you just got 100 bucks for what? 20 bucks? Dude, that's so worth it.
You're better not.
Let's go, come on. Can we get $300 right here? Okay, no, that rigged me.
I just know they do it once too, so you'll look pretty.
So here we go. Let's try for this middle row. Oh, come on. No way! Another freaking sack of cash. Are you kidding me right now? Please drop. Yes! Dude, let's go. We got 200 bucks from this Keymaster. Guys, we are killing it right now. We got $200 sacks of cash. That makes $200 if you can't do math.
What? Top row.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to go for the top row, guys. That's the only row left. Can we do it? Oh, I don't know. See, I feel like the top row is definitely rigged, but will the key unlock the $200 prize? Find out right. Come on! No way! 200 bucks. That makes $400 out of this Keymaster, guys. We are killing it right now. Are you kidding me? Let's go. Let's freaking go. Guys, check this out. We got 100. We got 200. And we got $400. That's insane. That's $400 at the cash Keymaster.
Jesus. Yeah, you're definitely profitable.
Guys, I guess we're going out tonight, right?
Yeah.
To the club? For like under $50, guys, we were able to profit like $350 from this $400 stack. We gotta take away what we spent, but we are left with about $350. That's insane.
I have to show my buddy this.
Of course, we gotta put it on the Snap. If you guys aren't following me on Snapchat, definitely do that now.
Yeah. I'm just sending this to my buddy. I've never seen this before.
Yeah,
This
it's
is insane.
guys, this is crazy. To walk away with 350 cash.
That's crazy.
That's insane. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give me a huge thumbs up down below. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, links are in the description, as well as my cameraman's Brett's channel. He does arcade videos if you want to check his channel out, as well as Aaron's channel. You guys should all know Claw Kicker by now. He's doing some fat giveaways on your channel, right?
Yeah.
So if you guys want to win free stuff, head over to his channel, as well as mine. Well, you're already here, so you can just head right around. And giveaways are on my channel as well, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.